You're about to walk on stage and your stomach starts to flutter. Or you see your crush across the room and it happens again. That tickly, fluttery feeling we call butterflies in your stomach. But there are no butterflies in there, only something stranger. Your gut is reacting to a danger your brain hasn't named yet. Fear lives in your head, but you feel it lowest in your body. Why does anxiety wave at us from behind the belly button? Why don't we feel nervous in our elbows or our knees? The answer is one of the strangest facts about being human. You don't have one brain inside you. You basically have two. Wrapped around your gut is a hidden network of nerves. Scientists call it the enteric nervous system, your second brain. It holds around 500 million neurons of its own. That's about as many neurons as live inside your spinal cord. It runs your digestion without ever asking your head for help. Researcher Michael Gershon gave it that nickname decades ago. And it talks to your head brain constantly, every single second. That conversation travels along one giant cable, the vagus nerve. It runs from your brainstem all the way down to your gut. Most people picture nerves shouting orders from brain to body. But the vagus is mostly a listener, not a talker. Around 80% of its fibers carry signals upward, not down. Your gut is constantly whispering reports back to your head. Mood, hunger, danger, calm. It all rides this same wire. So when your brain panics, your gut hears about it instantly. Imagine you're about to give a speech in a quiet room. Your brain spots a threat. All those eyes about to judge you. A small almond-shaped region called the amygdala lights up. It doesn't wait for proof, it pulls the fire alarm anyway. That alarm fires down a system called the sympathetic nervous system. You know it by its more famous name, fight or flight. Your body now believes a tiger is in the room, even when the tiger is just a job interview across a desk. Fighting a tiger needs muscle, not digestion, so your body performs a quiet emergency rerouting of blood. Blood vessels in your gut squeeze themselves tight and narrow. Blood vessels in your arms and legs swing wide open. Blood rushes out of your stomach toward your bigger muscles. Your digestion gets paused, mid-sandwich, mid-everything. Your gut suddenly feels strange, empty, and a little electric. That hollow, fluttery feeling has a name. We call it butterflies. Meanwhile, two small glands sitting on your kidneys wake up. They're called the adrenal glands, and they release adrenaline. Adrenaline is your body's all-purpose go button. Your heart speeds up, your pupils widen, your breath shortens, your gut twitches, contracts, and sometimes flips its plans entirely. That's why nerves can send some people sprinting to the bathroom. Your body isn't malfunctioning, it's clearing the decks for action. Here's a fact that breaks most people's idea of mood. Around 90% of your serotonin lives inside your gut. Not your brain, your gut, the very place that just twisted. When your gut shifts, it sends mood signals upward to your head. Anxiety isn't only in your head, it's a whole body weather system. Your butterflies aren't decoration, they're a forecast you can read. Now picture the moment again, the speech, the date, the test. That flutter you feel isn't weakness leaking out of you. It's a body that rehearsed survival for hundreds of thousands of years. Your stomach is paying attention so the rest of you doesn't have to. It's saying, this matters, be sharp, don't sleepwalk through this. The butterflies aren't a problem to fix, they're a signal to read. Athletes feel them, surgeons feel them, astronauts feel them too. The calmest people aren't the ones without butterflies inside. They're the ones who learn to listen to them carefully. Slow your breath, and the vagus nerve quiets the alarm. Name what you feel, and the amygdala stops shouting at you. Your two brains start talking to each other again, gently. So the next time your stomach flutters before something big, remember what it really is underneath all of the fear. Not a swarm of insects, and not a weakness in you. It's a warning bell of 500 million neurons, tuned for you. A body that wants you ready, awake, and fully alive. All those butterflies have ever been trying to do is help. Maybe next time you can thank them quietly and walk on through.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. We'd love to hear what topic you'd like us to cover next. Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep being curious.